In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcode in WordPress. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to enhance your site with added functionality, understanding how to create and use shortcodes is an essential skill. Shortcodes are handy little pieces of code that allow you to do some pretty impressive things with minimal effort, and they can significantly streamline your content creation process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit wordpress.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in by clicking on the login button. It's located in the top right corner of the page. Once there, you have the convenient option to continue with Google, which simplifies the process if your Google account is linked to your WordPress account. Just click on continue with Google, select your account from the list, and you'll be logged in without needing to enter your credentials repeatedly. Once logged in, navigate to the right panel where you'll find a section called Quick Links. Here you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to access the edit mode of your WordPress site, which is where you'll be adding your shortcode. Now, you should find yourself in the editor interface. To proceed, look towards the top left of your screen where you should see an Add button, typically represented with a plus sign. Click on it. This opens up a menu where you can add various blocks to your page. The flexibility of WordPress really shines here, allowing you to enhance your posts and pages with different types of content. In the search bar that appears, type the word shortcode. This will filter the available blocks and present you with the option you're looking for. Clicking on shortcode will insert a placeholder block onto your page. This small yet powerful block is where you'll input your desired shortcode, essentially allowing you to add complex features or custom content with a simple line of text. Once you've added the shortcode block, you can type or paste in the shortcode you want to use. This could be anything from embedding a Twitter post to displaying dynamic content based on your specific needs, and that's it. You've successfully added a shortcode to your WordPress site. Remember, shortcodes can unlock a whole world of possibilities, enabling you to enhance the functionality of your site without needing extensive programming knowledge. As you become more comfortable with using them, you'll discover a variety of creative applications to fit your needs. Practice using different shortcodes, and soon you'll be expanding your WordPress site effortlessly, creating a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional WordPress tips and tricks.